The fat cat is back, and this time he's brought his A game. After 3 years of training and mastering every single style of kung fu from the drunken master to the iron fist, he has returned to the outback to take on the kangaroo who has, get this, 9 lives. In the last fight, the kangaroo defeated the fat cat by using his signature move, the flying kick. But this time around, the fat cat was prepared. He spent the last 3 years honing his skills and learning new ones, all in an effort to defeat the kangaroo and finally put an end to this rivalry once and for all. But the kangaroo, he's feeling pretty confident. I mean, he did defeat the fat cat last time and he still remains undefeated. Plus, he has 9 lives, so why should he be worried? The fat cat may have had some time in the gym, but the kangaroo's got this thing called natural talent. You can't teach that. The crowd is going wild. They've been waiting for this rematch for a long time, and now it's finally happening. The bell rings and the 2 fighters get into their stances. The kangaroo is bouncing around, keeping out of reach of the fat cat's paws. And the fat cat, he's calm and focused, ready to take on the flying kick. And here it comes. The kangaroo takes off into the air and brings his paw down on the fat cat. But this time the fat cat is ready. He dodges the attack and lands a solid hit on the kangaroo's jaw. The crowd goes wild. Could this be the end of the kangaroo's undefeated streak? But the kangaroo, he's not giving up. He shakes off the blow and gets back into the fight. These 2 are going at it for what seems like hours, but it's really only minutes. The fight is too close to call. Both fighters are giving it their all, but there's a new move in town. The fat cat takes a deep breath and lets out a powerful war cry. He charges at the kangaroo and unleashes a flurry of punches and kicks. The kangaroo is in trouble. He's never seen the fat cat fight like this before. And then it happens. The fat cat lands a critical hit on the kangaroo's midsection. The kangaroo doubles over in pain. This is it. The fat cat has won. The crowd is going crazy. The fat cat has finally defeated the kangaroo. But the story doesn't end there, because as the fat cat is celebrating his victory, he hears a familiar voice. It's the narrator from the last fight, and he's got some news for the fat cat. Get this, the kangaroo wasn't even trying to win that last fight. The narrator says the kangaroo was just playing around with the fat cat. The fat cat is in disbelief. He trained for 3 years to defeat the kangaroo, and now he finds out that the kangaroo wasn't even trying. Well, the fat cat may have won this fight, but the kangaroo still remains undefeated. The moral of the story, don't mess with the kangaroo.